and welcome to Mainstream Software Academy. Today in this session we will cover how to use the Create Work Order screen. This screen is ideal for technicians creating self-generated work orders. At any point, once logged in, click the Order Processing menu and select Create Work Order. The Create Work Order screen is made up of two primary sections, Work Location and Coding. Let's complete each one in order. To save time, the requester information is already pre-filled with your name and phone number. If you know the property ID number, enter it into the property ID field. If not, move on to use the down arrows to select the 4-level work location in the order listed. For this example, we will select our Lancaster location at 126 Alliance Boulevard. Note that if for each level there is only one option to select, it will auto-populate. Otherwise, you will need to select it from the choices available. Once you have selected all 4 levels of this location, you can move on to the coding section, where we'll provide details on the work needed. First, we'll select a group relevant to the problem reported. In this example, we're reporting a too hot situation, so we will choose maintenance and repair. Next, we'll select a subgroup relevant to the problem reported. As you can see, only subgroups within the group are shown. In our too hot example, the subgroup is HVAC. Then we'll select the specific problem code. For this example, it's HVAC hot. After we select the problem code, the system automatically populates some of the remaining fields from the matrix. Check the following fields to confirm that the matrix is correct: priority, response target, completion target, order type, status, and assignment. If the priority is either P6 or P7, you will have the ability to edit the response target and completion target. Otherwise, the targets are set via the matrix. Questions on the pre-filled dates should be addressed to your management. Next is the problem description box, where we'll add details about the problem. In the problem description, it is very important not to delete any of the pre-filled information already in the description text box. Let's add details, such as conference room is hotter than the rest of the floor. If you'd like to change the tag number, order type, and status fields, ask your management. The majority use the pre-filled responses. Your account may have set up additional client audit specific fields, such as reference fields or other accounting related data. Complete each field as required by your company's business rules. The technician or vendor field will automatically populate based on the primary assignment designated in Site Matrix. To change the assignment, select Matrix Assignment and click the down arrow to select one of the available options: primary, secondary, tertiary, FM, or Tech 1. In our case, we show Becky Her as FM and Randy Holland as Tech 1, or select other assignment, then choose Technician or Vendor. For Technician, search by first name, enter at least the first 3 characters of the name, avoid pressing Enter, and click on the preferred section. Let's try Brian. Remember, do not press Enter. This is an autocomplete field. For this example, we'd like to assign this order to Brian Henniger. Start typing the letters BRI, find Brian Henniger, and click on his name to populate the field. If we wanted to assign a vendor, we search the same way. At least 3 characters, such as Red, for Red's heating and air conditioners. Again, avoid pressing Enter. Occasionally, vendor names may have unusual spaces or spellings. Please contact management for assistance. Check the form to ensure all fields with the red asterisk are populated. Now click Create in the upper right corner to create the order. Lastly, we'll need to dispatch it out to Brian. Without dispatching, the assignment does not receive notification either via email, mobile, or dispatch board that they will have a pending work order in their queue. To indicate that you have successfully created an order, a pop-up box will appear with the work order number. Do not click Close. Instead, select the hyperlink work order as shown. We have now navigated directly to the View Modify Work Order screen for the order we just created. Note that our status is O for Open. Our goal is to change it to D for Dispatched. Simply select Dispatch here on the right to open the Dispatch Notify pop-up. A technician can be notified of a pending work order by phone, fax, page, or email. A dispatch tab will automatically be populated for each preferred method of notification. For Brian, he prefers to be contacted by phone or email. A manual phone call is required. The system does not auto-redial. The email dispatch detail will automatically be populated, and the email shown will be the one and only one used to email this work order. Check the box Mark as Dispatched if it is not already. Finally, click OK to dispatch work order. To check your work, make sure the status has changed to D for Dispatched, and check the log to confirm an email went out. Congratulations! You have successfully created and dispatched a work order. With a little practice, you can create and dispatch in less than a minute. Thank you for joining Mainstream Software Academy. Check out more videos on our website.